Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll rationalize the numerator of these two given expressions. Let's start with the first one, square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 minus 2 over h. We have to rationalize the numerator. That means we have to get rid of the square root in the numerator. For that, we should use the conjugate method. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator expression. Conjugate is an expression that has the same terms but the opposite sign between the terms. So the conjugate of this numerator expression is square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 plus 2. So we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 plus 2. Next, we should simplify the numerator expression by distributing the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. Square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 times square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 is equal to h squared plus 5h plus 4. These square roots go away. Next, we should multiply square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 by positive 2. I get 2 square root h squared plus 5h plus 4. Next, we should do negative 2 times square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4. I get negative 2 square root h squared plus 5h plus 4. Next, we should do negative 2 times positive 2, which is equal to negative 4. We should keep the denominator expression as it is. Next, we can simplify the expression in the numerator. 2 times square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 minus 2 times square root of h squared plus 5h plus 4 cancel each other out. We can also cancel out the 4's. Next, we should do common factoring in the numerator. We can factor out nh from both terms. Next, we can cancel out the h from numerator and denominator. This should be the final answer for the first expression. We have rationalized the numerator. Now we can analyze the second given expression, square root of 5 plus h minus square root of 5 over h. We have to rationalize the numerator. We have to get rid of the square root in the numerator. For that we should use the conjugate method. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator expression. We have to use the conjugate method because the numerator expression is made up of two terms, square root of 5 plus h and square root of 5. The conjugate of this numerator is square root of 5 plus h plus square root 5. Next, we should simplify the numerator expression by distributing the terms in the parentheses. We should use the FOIL method. Square root of 5 plus h times square root of 5 plus h is equal to just 5 plus h. These square roots go away. Next, we should multiply square root of 5 plus h with square root 5. I get square root of 5 times 5 plus h. Because both 5 and 5 plus h are under the square root. Next, we should multiply negative square root 5 by square root of 5 plus h. I get minus square root of 5 times 5 plus h. Next, we should multiply negative square root 5 and positive square root 5. I get negative square root 25. We should keep the denominator expression as it is. Next, we should simplify the expression in the numerator. Plus square root of 5 times 5 plus h minus square root of 5 times 5 plus h cancel each other out. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. Next, we can cancel out the 5's in the numerator. Next, we can cancel out the h's. This should be the final answer for the second given expression. We have rationalized the numerator. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to rationalize the numerator of these types of expressions. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.